Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up.
All right, it's getting closer. As you can see, the refrigerator shelf is in, and that's gonna be nice. I think down there on the bottom, underneath, I think I'm gonna make that storage. I don't think I'm gonna make that into a drawer. You know, I don't know that. You know, putting a drawer in this space right here is really necessary underneath this right here where the refrigerator is going to be. You know, this is a 5-inch, a 5-inch, an 1/8 inch, and an 1/8 inch. A 5, 5, 8, 8. That's what they are. 5-inch and 8-inch drawers. 5, 5, 8, 8. I think I'm just gonna make that storage. Not gonna put drawers on it. Not gonna make it a drawer. I may later down the line, I don't know. But we're just gonna keep on going. Let's go get the fridge and make sure it fits. Wow, that's almost like it was made to go right there, but it wasn't. But it can sit right there for a while, get it off the floor. I tell you, the wind is blowing about 40 miles an hour, and it has my stinking allergies up and roaring. And my nose is running, but my entire left side of my head is itching. My ears are itching. It is not pleasant, but I don't have coronavirus. Good stinking night. All right, guys. Got a camera reset. Let's go ahead and finish out this side of this one. I hate to split this shelf But I'm gonna be really close on my materials. And if I cut this sucker a full shelfer in here, I'm basically wasting an entire sheet. Because of the weird size this is, it's just over what I need it for being side to side. For the length of one of these cabinets. It's just the wrong size, so I'm gonna split it. It's my camper, I don't care. So, I'll put in another block and I'll call it good.